Hey everyone, if Valorant keeps crashing just seconds after you launch it, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a quick and easy fix that worked for me. Just follow each step carefully. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the box, type App Data, then click OK. Once the App Data folder opens, look for the Local folder and open it. Inside Local, scroll down and find the Valorant folder, then click on it. Now, here's the important part. Inside the Valorant folder, locate the folder called Saved. Right-click on the saved folder and delete it. Don't worry, this won't delete your account or your game progress. It only removes temporary files that can cause Valorant to crash on startup. After deleting the folder, close everything and launch Valorant again. And that's it. After completing these steps, your Valorant crashing on launch problem should be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more quick and easy games fixes.